Hi and welcome to this tutorial on setting up a Facebook for Business page. This is John O'Connor from Captain Lyley's retreat in Adare in Ireland. So in order to set up a Facebook for Business page, you have to have a personal Facebook page, and on there you just click on Pages and Create New Page. In here you put in your new business page. The category of your business is, in our case, vacation home rental, and description can be up to 255 characters long, so whatever you want to put in there for your business. The description appears down here in About, and you also then populate you can put your logo here and your cover photo here. To do that, you just click on Add Profile Picture. In our case, we have a logo which pops up here, and add a cover photo. You need a landscape picture here, really, as wide as possible, and you can then drag this, reposition it so that it appears in the center here. You click Save, and that is your Facebook business page created. Thanks very much for watching this video. Please feel free to ask any questions in the comments below, and please subscribe to see further videos on setting up business pages on various social media channels. Thank you. Bye bye.